Good afternoon. I hope everyone's enjoying this beautiful day. I thought I'd come in today and give you a little update on the rage of the day. So everyone's been talking about 3D tours. Well, I'm here to give you the lowdown on what is a 3D tour. So it's not something I used to do because obviously I had clients that could come in and look at properties themselves. But I'm finding during this time when people are doing more and more of their preliminary shopping online, doing the 3D tour actually does so much more than a video or still photos. So it actually walk through the house at your own pace and check it out. So today I'm going to share my screen. Let's see here. I'm going to share my screen if I can do it. While I am going to share my screen, for those of you that don't know me, my name is Sonia Bush with Mammoth Village Properties, and I am going to go on over to my web page. So soniabush.com. I'm super excited because I redid my website. Jessica is amazing and she helped me out with this. Isn't that pretty? I hope you can see it. If you can see it, give me a big thumbs up down below. But this is my website. So buy a home in Mammoth Lakes. That takes you to my buyer's guide and a bunch of links. Sell a home, gives you a seller's guide and a bunch of links. Get the monthly market update. Obviously, my monthly newsletter. But that's not what we're here to talk about. So if you go down below, you can see some featured listings. And in these listings, if you click on them, well, let's go ahead and start with this one. This is my newest one with a 3D tour. It'll tell you a virtual tour, more information, but over here is 3D tour. So raise your hand if you have heard of a 3D tour. Actually, I can't see if you're raising your hand because my chat's not working. But here's how it works. Matterport is the provider that I use. My professional photographer takes my pictures, but also spends a couple hours setting up for the 3D tour. I'm going to show you how to use it. The first time that I used the 3D tour, I was a little intimidated and I didn't feel like I knew what I was doing. So here I am to make it easy. We're in the living room of this house, but what you can see is these little circles on the ground. Do you see the little circles on the ground? Those happen to be where the camera was positioned when it did a 360-degree photo of the house. So I'm just using my mouse and I can just turn around in a circle and it lets me look at different features for as long as I like. Whereas a video or a virtual tour, just keeps going. So I'm looking at all the wood, I'm looking at the windows. I can just click my mouse anywhere. So you can see where I have the mouse down here in the right-hand corner. I'm moving it around in a circle so you can see it. I'm gonna click right there and it takes me over. Oh, wow, those are cool windows, whatever you wanna see. It allows you to see it all. I can go back, where did I come from? So give you a really nice view. I really wanna check out the kitchen. So I'm gonna click right here, take me over to the kitchen, and I can look at everything. Now the purpose today is not to actually take you on a tour of this house, just to get you familiar with the tools on the 3D tour, the Matterport 3D tour. So I'm going to click over here right in front of the kitchen sink, and this allows me to see what would it be like if I did my dishes right here. It gives me the view. I can use the mouse to go up and see what the ceiling looks like. Oh wow, that's a big window. I can go down and look at the floor to see, what kind of floor that is, etc. So that kind of just gives you an idea. I'm turning around. Hopefully you're not getting too dizzy. Let's take a look at the dining room. So this is really the easiest way to use it. Just know that clicking on the little round circles will take you to the premium viewing point. That's where the camera was, and you'll get a really great view. Over down here, do you see my mouse kind of scrambling around in the lower left-hand corner? Those are some other tools. One is a measurement tool, so you can actually measure, okay, will my dining room table fit here? Will my couch fit here? So you can use that. Next to that is the floor selector. So let's show you what that looks like. I can click and see how this house has 1, 2, 3 floors. I want to go down to the bottom floor, and it just takes me to exactly under where I was standing. And now I'm in the downstairs, but I want to see what the entry looks like. So here I am in the entry. And I can click over and I can see, oh, that's how you get upstairs. There's the stairs. Look at all the windows. Okay, there's carpet on the stairs, and I can look all around. The other tool, which is kind of cool, is to view the floor plan. So if I click on that, that lets you look above at the actual floor plan. So I can see see my mouse moving, there's a bedroom, there's a bedroom, there's a bedroom, there's the entry that we were just in, there's a bathroom, a laundry, and the stairs up. Isn't that cool? Now let's say I want to resume my walking tour. I just go over to the little walking tour and it takes me back to where I was. So that is how you use the 3D Matterport tours. Again, I just like that you can see how big the windows are. You can explore because everyone has something different that they're interested in. Some people really might want to look at the windows, some people at the flooring, etc. And this allows you to go at your own pace and see whatever you want to see. So do you like it? Give it a thumbs up. Do you not like it? Tell me why in the comments. I'm getting mixed reviews. All the sellers love it. So the sellers love it. And I have a lot of buyers that like it too, but some buyers find they get a little dizzy or they get confused. And I'm thinking it's because they didn't get a little tutorial, just like me. I didn't really know how to use it at first. So now I feel much better. So if you would like to have a a 3D tour of a listing, let me know. Not all agents are doing this. It's not cheap. So the camera itself is expensive, but I didn't buy the camera. I have my photographer do it. So he'll go in and take the pictures for the listing and the virtual tour. And then he has to come in and it takes a couple hours to do a house this size. You put the camera in place, it does, the 360 picture and then you reposition it. So it does take a little bit of time, but I think in this time, it's providing value for people that can actually walk through, quote unquote, walk through houses easily. So again, let me know and I can tell you, not all my listings have them currently and not all the other agents listings have them. But if there is a house you're interested in, I can definitely, or condo, I can definitely check and see if it's available. So again, back to my website, a couple different ways you can access it. One is just going to soniabush.com and scrolling down on the web page to the featured listings. And then once you check or click on a featured listing, here's one in Mammoth, you'll see up here, I don't know if you can see my mouse moving, if there's a 3D home tour or not. So I still do have the virtual tours. So the virtual tour actually takes you through the property, but it's a designed pace, whereas the 3D tour, you get to do it on your own pace. The virtual tour down below, I also have the specifics, the description, the amenities, and the photo gallery. So that's kind of cool. So again, that's on the listings. You can also go over here to the little thing that says blog at the top right-hand corner, and it takes you to my blog, which I'm pretty proud of. I've worked hard on getting all this stuff in here. So I've got 5 years worth of articles that I've been blogging, and I think some of them are pretty good, if I do say so myself. But you can scroll down, and I do have one blog here where I have all my 3D tours in one place. So a couple ways to get to them. So you can scroll down here. There's the one in June Lake. There's a condo in Mammoth. There's a house in Mammoth, another house in Mammoth, a house in Crowley. So this is another really good example. What I like about it, this is a big house. And what's kind of cool about this, let me open it up for you. I mean, you could really see, watch, I'm gonna go up and check out. You can see the details in the ceiling, the beams, the high windows, the nice floors. So like I said, it's a unique way to see properties and it's growing on me. I'm really liking it. So that is about all for now. That's my 3D tour for today. And I'm anxious for your feedback and jot some notes down in the comments. Tell me what you like or dislike. And again, if you want to see something, I'm your gal. Have a great day.